What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to fix and what are the error 15 and error 14 for Ninebot. So actually it's quite easy to fix this error if you know what's the issue, but usually error 15 that I showed to you before, let me try one more time. I will just disable it, disable the scooter, then hold the brake, turn it on. You will have this error 15 when I just release it, so error 15 disappears. So actually error 15 appears when you have some issue with your brakes, the connection between your brakes here and actually this cable, you see it here, and with your main board. So actually if you see this issue, you usually check the connections here, check the brake whether it's released or not, maybe add some oil here that will help you to release it. Actually that's the key here is for error 15. Although we've got error 14 that is also quite common. You can press a gas, turn on your scooter, turn on, then you have the error 14 here. Meanwhile, I'm holding it. When I release it, error 14 also disappears. So actually error 14 is all regarding the gas here. So if you have some issues, again, if it's stuck somewhere or it's broken, the error 14 will appear, then you need to replace it or also add some oil, check all the connections, maybe the issue is here. So basically error 15 responsible for the left one, or error 14 responsible for the right one. Also there are much more errors like overheating and others, but usually those two are the most common. And in case you have some question about the other error code, leave it in the comments below. I will feedback for each error code in the comments below the video.